갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야.
Good morning everyone! We are going to our old house and do some works there because we are going to sell it. So maybe one of you guys are interested to buy a house. Maybe you can just comment down below and I will get back to you. So yeah, we decided to sell the house and we will give you a bit of tour of the house. So let's go. That is the house we are going to sell. That one. That is the house we are going to sell, as you can see. You can contact him if you want to know about the house. That is our agent. So this is the gate, and that is the front door, and this is the outside. You can put some tables and chairs over here, and the alarm for the house, and we put some sail on it just for summer. And you can put some, gardening around outside. And we are going to the front door. Sorry for the noise. The neighbor is just doing the lawn over there. Front door, and that is the stair going up to the rooms upstairs. But first I'm going to tour you downstairs. So this is the hallway going to here. This can be your dining area over here. And yeah. And you can put a TV in here or couch. You can put the TV over here, over there, that one here, or you can also put TV in that side. And that is the aircon. And this is the window. You can open it like that. Like that. And this is the pretty kitchen. I like the kitchen. I like this kitchen better than our house right now. You can feel it's very like, home. This is the fridge. Put in your fridge. I put the fridge here. And then covered. Then, covered. Cooktop. I like that here. I like the kitchen. It's very, very nice. And then you will have an oven. The oven is big. Drawers. And then if you have a coffee maker, you can put it in here. And then you can close it. And this is for the oven, and then covered again there. And then this will be your pantry. I like the pantry, it's big if you have a lot of stuff. It's good. And then over here, bin, and then you will have your dishwasher, and then more drawers, and then that one. Can see the kitchen? It's pretty nice. And this house is close to the park. If you have kids, would be nice for the kids to go. Just there, I will show you later the park, and then it's also close to Kingsway Shopping Center and close to Asdale School. Maybe 10 to 15 minutes away from if you want to go to Joondalup Shopping Center. And here is your something for like cleaning stuff and more putting stuff in there. If you have a lot of stuff. And then here, this door is going to the laundry. So, laundry, and then you can open this one, and that is going to shower, washing line there. You can put also, plants if you want to. You can put a washing machine there, and the sink, and then covered. Yeah. And then we have a toilet here. Here, and if you come here, This is the garage. It can fit 2 cars in the garage. And then you have a storage room for your stuff here, which is very big. Yeah. And let's go back inside. So we done the laundry, and the kitchen is here. Now we are going upstairs. So we have aircon downstairs, and then we have also aircon upstairs. And this will be your storage room. There. Storage room. Let's go upstairs. This is upstairs. So first is this one. This will be your theater room. That's the light. This will be the theater room. You can put TV and no, you can put TV there, and then yeah, you can open the windows. I'll show you park. I told you earlier. So you can open the windows, and this will be your view. Yeah. And the park is just right there. If you can see the kids, they are playing. And if you open this window here, that will be your view. That side, you can see that man there loaning their grass. So this will be your theater room. That one, nice. And that is downstairs. Going downstairs. So next, here. It's a bit dark. Hold on. Let's switch on the light. Yeah. So this will be the first room. Yeah, it's carpeted. If you open a window, yeah, that will be your outside view if you open a window. And this is the room. And that will be your cabinet. It is glass. Put stuff in there. First bedroom. Moving forward to this will be the master's bedroom. Master's bedroom. That is your wardrobe, which is glass. Everything is glass. Wardrobe. Yeah. Put your clothes. Yeah. That is the outside view. You can see also the park. You can also see the park here. Where is the thing? That is the park over there, and this will be your view. And I just want to tell you that all the glasses are double glazed door, so you can hear the noise from outside. This will be your toilet and shower, I mean. That is the shower. Bathtub, and you will have two sinks. One sink, it's good for a couple. One sink and two sinks, and you will have the mirror, and you can put something in here, in this bit, and then a mirror also here, and this will be the toilet. There's the light. This will be the toilet. And that is your cabinet also with glass. And then if you open here, that will be your view from outside. This will be the toilet upstairs. Toilet. And this will be the shower. Oh, there. Tiles. That will be the shower. And that will be the sink. And it will be half covered over there. So, yeah. And you can open the window. Toilet. It's the master's bedroom. I'm just checking if it's all closed. So, yes. Theater room. Theater room. And then we are going down now. Just will show you one more time. We close all the doors now, I mean the windows and the blinds, so I'll just show you one more time. The kitchen. So that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions or anything you want to inquire or anything, just comment down below, or comment down below and I will get back to you. Thank you. See you on the next video, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye.